My name is Swamsi. I have studying BTech second year college in Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. I am from Kamredipalli village of Dharmavaram Mandal in Satyasai district. My my father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife and I have a sister.
What is your favorite programming language?
My favorite programming language is Python because its syntax is easier.
What is machine learning?
Machine learning it is the subset of artificial intelligence where we design some models to train the computer on certain data and improve their efficiency related to this model.
Explain about OOP concept.
OOPs concepts are mainly depends on objects and classes. It is it is one of it is the methodology for designing the program. Some of the OOPs concepts are objects, classes, inheritance, abstractions, polymorphism. Yeah, an object is instance of the class. It has some entities. It occupies some space in the memory. uh, a class is blueprint of the object. From In the class we can define many objects. It doesn't have any memory. From class we can define many objects. Abstraction. Abstraction is hiding complex details and showing the only necessary details to the user. Encapsulation and next topics. Encapsulation is ho- ho- wrapping the many methods into single class. Polymorphism it is a state in which one method is defined in several methods. One class have many methods. Next topic is inheritance. Inheritance is a process in which from one class we can define many classes. The class from which we define is known as the defined class is known as uh, uh, child class, and the class from which we define child class is known as base class.
Explain about exception handling.
Exception handling exception handling is we can use exception handling mainly because of occurring of errors in program. Because of this we use many methods like uh, try, final, and catch methods.
What is multi-threading?
Multi-threading it is a process of uh, implementing multi-threads to to fastly to use the CPU memory efficiently.
Are you willing to relocate?
Yes, I am willing to relocate.
Difference between tables and views.
Table is used to store data in the database. A view is logical connection between different tables in the database.
What are the different aggregation functions in dbms?
Aggregation. There are many aggregation functions. Some of these are some uh, some some is used to give the sum of rows related to specified column. Average function is used to average of multiple rows related to column. Count is used to number of distinct rows related to column. So, min function is used to minimum value of rows related to column. Maximum function is um, used to give the maximum value in the row related to the column.
Difference between mutable and immutable.
Mutable objects. Mutable objects. Some of the objects are called mutable objects. If we can change the data in the objects. Mutable objects are called immutable if we cannot change the data in the array.
Types of joins in dbms.
There are multiple joins in dbms. Some of these are inner join. Inner join is nothing but union, which gives the all rows and columns present in the two tables. Outer join is nothing but outer join is nothing but intersection of two tables, which gives the common columns in the two tables. Left inner join gives the um, row, 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 all rows in the left table, and the common rows and columns uh, in left table, and right join gives the all rows and columns in the right table, and the common rows and tables between the two tables, and self join gives the self product of rows and columns in the table.
What is a transaction?
Transaction is the process where we implement some method, some process using multiple functions.
What are identifiers in Python?
Identifiers are used to give the name to functions, variables, and various objects. The
What are access specifiers in Java?
access specifiers are public, private, protected. If you use public class, all methods you defined in the class can be used in any classes. If we use private class, we cannot use the methods used in one class in multiple classes. If we use default class, we cannot use methods and objects defined in one class. Not only methods and objects, we cannot even use the package in one class.
What are the blocks in the exception?
Uh, blo- uh, blocks are try, final, and catch.
What are the universal gates?
Universal gates are NAND and not gates, because we can define any logical gates using these two gates.